Hi everybody. So this year I wanted to share with you a big part of our family's holiday tradition, and that is making Lithuanian Christmas ornaments. And the beautiful thing about all of this, it's a DIY and it has that kind of farmhouse feel. Now this is something that Lithuanians used to make with original straw way back when on the farm. Now it's kind of transformed into making it with white straws, and they are just beautiful. My mom used to make them when she was young too, lived in Chicago. This tree was featured in a Chicago museum and it won awards every year. So this not only is a part of just culture and history, it's something you can do with your family. You can sit down around the table around Christmas time and make these beautiful ornaments. You can do one every year. It's a way for your family to put down the gadgets, get together, and have some fun and be creative. So here's how you make it. What you need for this: white straws, some very large needles, and some very strong, thick string. You can start out small, make something very small, and then just kind of start adding onto it and be as creative as you want in the future. We also got a chance to celebrate this recently at the Rasha's household. They had a Lithuanian Christmas ornament party, and my daughter and my dad and my mom, they all had such a wonderful time there. These beautiful ornaments here were made by Adele Mikalavichus, and her family let us borrow these for this segment. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Let me know some of your family holiday traditions. Pin those in the comment below. Turn on those post notifications so you can find out the next time we post a cool video. And I want some ideas from you, and I want you to post some of your beautiful ornaments below. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.